What is going on, man? So I hope you're well and I hope you had a great week. Thank you for checking in with me. I'm going to give you some feedback today. So we're on to week three. Cool. Okay, great. So on to week three. Um, let's see how we're doing. So cool. Let's go here to check in. So, how have you felt this week? Strong again, enjoying the gym and eating well. Good man. Have you consistently hit your macros this week? Yes, the 30-gram carb cut was very easy and haven't felt too hungry. Great. Have you completed all gym sessions this week? Yes. Also, what's your biggest success this week inside or outside of the gym? More PB, smash leg day, and looking at my progression on the track was really good to see. Also, my arms feel bigger. Sick, man. That's really good. As you can see with your training, again, you're getting stronger every single week in the gym. Every week you're getting stronger, so this is good. You're beating your volume every week, and judging from your notes here, there's PBs on nearly every exercise, man. Like, look at legs, PB nearly every time, which is insane, mate. So that's great. I can't ask for any more than that, to be honest, man. In regards to your training, everything's going well. Cool. So, anything hard about the program? Still feeling fat and almost feel like I'm bulking, but just sticking to it. Yeah, so you may feel like this, as like I said before, you'll be losing fat and building muscle, and sometimes you can get into this midpoint where you're like losing the fat, and maybe like the muscle isn't there as much, or the fat hasn't lost as much as you thought. Like, it's a very weird psychological thing that you're probably going through, man. But what we need to look at is overall, is your body weight, decreasing? Are you feeling leaner? These are the metrics we're going to start to, checking over the next few weeks, because we're only in week three, right? And this process works. You just have to trust it. And I'm going to do a few things to help you out as well this week too. All right. So any temptations to go off calories? No, all good. I did drink Saturday night, but stuck to rum and Diet Coke. Okay, cool. That's good. Absolutely fine. Rum and Diet Cokes, and just try and make sure that that's accounted for in your calories and stuff, so you don't overconsume. It's good. How's gym performance being strong? Still getting tons of PBs. Yeah, that is incredible. How's sleep been each day? All good. Feeling fatigued in the gym? No, felt strong. Any movement you not enjoyed? No, all good. Okay, great. So that's another really good week, man. Really good. Let's have a look at the tracker for this week. So steps, looks like they've been nailed. Over 10,000 or 10,000. That's great. Is that supposed to say 8 there? Like 87? I was going to say, I don't think there's 87 litres of water. That'd be unreal if you did. Cool. Cool. So still dropped a little, which is great. But I think we can still drop a bit more, man. I think we can still drop some body weight. We're going to reduce calories down now a little bit more. So you're on 2003. What we're going to do now is put you down to So what we're going to look at now is we're going to go to 2,200 calories. Okay, so a drop of about, is it 100? Yeah. So a drop of 100 calories again. This is just going to ensure that we can keep losing fat, because the key to losing fat is a calorie deficit, and we want to ensure that we maintain a deficit throughout this period. Obviously, with this additional cardio that you're doing, that would be good. And then, yeah, you can potentially still build muscle with this because protein's really high. So what we're going to do is 267, 200. So set up your goals roughly in MyFitnessPal for this. But just remember, these are your goals. So 267, 200, yeah? And 2,200 calories. So you can obviously have a slight drop in protein, and then again, a slight drop in carbs too. So that's only a 15-gram drop in carbs. That's like, a small slice of bread, or, a small snack for 15 grams of carbs. So not a lot per day, but it's going to make a massive difference with your steps, with your cardio, and with being consistent. All right. So I just want to reiterate again, keep consistent and keep trusting the process. Yeah. Don't think that it's not going to work. It is going to work. It is working. just keep nailing it and staying consistent. You know, you spoke to me, you spoke to Lloyd. He can reassure you that, you know, this is a process, right? And you just have to stick at it, right? And not fall off, because if you stick at it and not fall off, the weight will start to fall off and it's going to become easy, right? And you're also going to build this habit that it's going to cause you not to struggle as much. It's just going to become much easier. And you can see already your habits are already built with your training, right? So your training, you've basically got that like nailed on, man. Like I can't ask for any more than that with your training, you know. Just keep at it with the nutrition, just keep nailing it, you know, keep consistent. And yeah, I can't ask for any more, man. So keep that going. If there are any questions you have, shoot me a WhatsApp this week. But yeah, the key message is stay consistent, keep trusting the process, and the results are going to come. Yeah, I can imagine, you know, over the next weeks up until week 10, you're really going to start seeing some visual changes come as we, you know, drop the calories down and as you stay consistent. All right, man. So I hope that was good for you, and I hope that was useful. Any questions at all, please shoot me a WhatsApp. And yeah, I'll speak to you in a week.